So friends, in the last lecture, we were discussing about arrival and filing of IGM. So when it should be filed, who will file it, what will be the repercussions of delayed filing, all that we have already discussed. Now the next thing is, what are the main contents of IGM or IGR? That is only for your information. So main contents of IGM or IGR both, right? So we are not talking about the all, we're talking about the main contents of IGM or IGR both. Okay. In nutshell, if you want to understand this, IGM.
To watch full video, join online batch weekdays 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Call TAIL Institute.